How to add a blur effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. In the dynamic world of video editing, the ability to seamlessly blend creativity with functionality is a hallmark of a skilled editor. One indispensable technique that transcends mere aesthetics is the art of applying blur effects. Whether you're aiming to draw focus to a specific subject, create a dreamlike atmosphere, or perhaps most crucially, conceal sensitive information, the blur effect in DaVinci Resolve is your gateway to visual finesse. In this guide, I'll show you how to apply the blur effect to a portion of a video. As an example, I will blur out the plate of this moving vehicle. Start by duplicating your video clip. Hold down the Alt key, drag the clip upward, and release. Proceed to the color page. Right-click on the existing node, hover over Add Node, and select Add Serial. Go to the Window tab and select a shape that suits the area or object you intend to conceal. Since I need to cover a rectangular plate, I'm selecting the Linear tool. The shape will appear on your video with handles, so you can adjust the shape and move it around. Next in the Window tab, click Tracker. Click the Track Forward and Reverse button. This ensures continuous tracking of the moving object throughout the video. In the Effects tab, select a blur effect and drag it over the second node. Adjust the slider in the settings to the left or right for the desired level of blur. Upon playing the video, you'll see that the blur effect has been applied, dragging the object throughout the entire duration. If this video helped, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.